Right now there are so many diagnostic tools on the market, it can be overwhelming and really difficult to choose the right one for you, your needs and your vehicle. We've tried and tested hundreds of them and there are a lot of lemons out there, so in this guide we'll help you avoid those lemons and make sure you choose the right scan tool that works for you, your needs, your vehicle and of course your budget. So if you need a tool for a basic airbag or check engine light reset, through to a more complex tool for coding and adaptions, then this guide will help you out. So let's get started. We have 5 tools out on show, and at the end of this video I'll reveal which of these tools I would buy if it was my personal money, knowing what I know about these tools. They are the best selling tools at Diagnostic World, so they all have a good reputation and a good track record. And starting at this end of the table, we'll work our way from this end, being the cheapest through to the most expensive at this end, and you'll probably find that as we go through the table, the tools will become a little bit more expensive, but also they have more functionality as we go through. But you'll begin to pick that up, as I say, as we go through. And if you're still unsure at the end of this video which tool to go for, then by all means, I'll pop the email address in the description below this video. Please do send us an email and we can check your vehicle, your make, your model, model year, and we'll give you, the best guidance we can based on what you're looking to get out of the tool, based on, like I say, whatever reset you're looking to do, and obviously based on your budget as well. Okay, so we're starting at this end. This is the Vol version 1.0, the Vol standing for Volvo, but obviously it does cover Volvo and Saab vehicles, okay? With them being part of the same group. Now this tool has the least functionality of all the tools on the table, but it is the cheapest, but it's very good at what it does. So let's say, for example, well, let me tell you, it covers all systems within these vehicles. So if you've got a fault with, say, the engine, the airbags, the ABS, transmission, power steering, windows, doors, roof systems, if it's a convertible, if you've got a warning light, or there's an issue with those systems, and this tool will allow you to diagnose those faults, reset those fault codes, and obviously reset the warning light in the process. It does live data and it comes with free updates for life. All of these tools have free updates for life, actually, and I will pop the links to all of these kits in the description below this video. So this is the Volvo version 1.0 tool. Now when it comes to service functionality, you'll hear me talk about that in this video. This covers one service function, and it is the ability to do the oil service resets. So if you've got like an oil maintenance or a service or a maintenance message which comes on the vehicle, on the dashboard, this will allow you to do the reset on that. Okay, so that's the Vol version 1.0 tool. We then move on to the Vol version 3.0 tool. Now you might be asking, what's happened to the Vol version 2? Shouldn't that be in the middle here? We do sell the Vol version 2, and it is actually a good tool. It's just that we feel that when it comes to value for money, this tool is much better because it gives you way more functionality for just a little bit more than what the Vol version 2 is. So you're right, it does sit in the middle here, and it has more functions than this, less functions than this, but only a few less functions. And I think making the step up to the Vol version 3, which I'll tell you about in a second, makes way more financial sense, okay? Because this tool does a lot more. It does everything that this tool and the version 2 will do, but this tool, as I say, covers all systems for Volvo and Saab. It also does adaptions, it does calibrations, it does bi-directional control, so it'll do component testing. Something that the previous tools don't actually have, and it covers a lot more service functions as well. So when I say service functions, it's things like DPF regeneration, electronic parking brake, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor, battery registration, injector coding, ABS brake bleeding, suspension calibration, EGR adaptions, AdBlue resets, DEF countdowns, NOx resets, things like that. So it really does cover a lot of these, okay? So that's the Vol version 3.0 tool. As I say, it's way better than the 1 and 2 for just a bit more money, okay? We then move on to the Vol version 4.0 tool, which is a brand new tool for 2026. We do this video every year where we'll do like the best tools in, say, 24, 2025, and obviously now 2026, and this is a new edition. We've tried and tested this tool. It's really, really good. It does everything that the version 1, 2 and 3 will do, but it has a few additional tricks up its sleeve, okay? So what does this do over and above this? Well, it's a touchscreen tool, so there are no longer any buttons on screen, so it's a really intuitive touchscreen. I've used a few other touchscreen tools in the past, and sometimes you're kind of like you're sitting there for ages trying to get the button to press, and it's not very intuitive. But this tool doesn't suffer from those issues, I'm pleased to say. So it's a touchscreen, and with the previous generations, you have to, if you want to update to the latest software, you need to mess about with cables, getting cables plugged into PCs, laptops, and obviously downloading software onto your PCs, which it's not, don't get me wrong, it's not that difficult, but it's much easier with this tool, because all you need to do is just connect to the Wi-Fi, a few taps, and it instantly downloads the latest software to the tool, which is a really good thing to be able to do. And not only that though, but this also has the ability to add additional manufacturers for free to the tool. Okay, so let's say you've got a Volvo or Saab, which is the primary reason for buying the Volvo version 4.0 tool, but let's say you've also got a VW. Okay, what you can do is you can go onto the upgrade screen, and it gives you the options to add other manufacturers for free. So you could add the VW software with just a few taps, but they come as part of groups. Okay, so if you add the VW, it's also going to give you Audi, Seat, Skoda, Bentley, Lamborghini and Bugatti as well, if you're lucky enough to own one of those. Or let's say you wanted to add Peugeot software, well, it would add Peugeot and Citroen software. So they come in groups, but if you click in the link, if you click onto this product, scroll down, it shows you all the vehicle groups that you can add. And that is, I think, is a massive thing for people buying a diagnostic tool. You can't do that with the previous generations, but with the version 4.0, it's now possible to do that. So yeah, that's the version 4.0. We then move on to the CR Pro Kit. Now this is the first tool on the table which has multi-manufacturers included straight out of the box. This already includes all manufacturers. Okay, it covers all systems. It does a wide range of service resets, things that I mentioned earlier, but it does up to, I think it's like up to 9, or is it 12, but it's things like DPF regeneration, electronic park and brake, throttle calibration, steering angle sensor, battery registration, injector coding, brake bleeding. This is one of this tool is always featured in this video because it just represents such good value for money, and it's probably one of the last tools that kind of offers all vehicles and all systems and a wide range of service functions at still a very good price. So this we've been selling this for 6 or 7 years now, and it still does sell really well because of that. So there are newer tools out there, there are more advanced tools out there, but they do cost a lot more money. We just think that this offers such good value for money, so this remains one of the best tools for Volvo and Saab, we believe. Okay, so that's the CR Pro Kit, and then we move on to the CR Max Kit. Now this is the most expensive tool on the table, but just because of that doesn't mean it's way overpriced or anything like that. It's actually still very reasonably priced and well within the reach of most DIYers. It takes all of the features from all of these tools and packs them into one handy tablet-based tool. It's fast, it's intuitive, it's a touch screen again, so it's tablet-based, but you also have the ability to go online, go on a website, put your emails on if you really wanted to. But most people have kind of other devices for that, but the option is there if you wanted to do that. So yeah, that's the CR Max, and again it does all of your adaptions, calibrations. It's bi-directional, so you can do component testing, covers all systems, all service functions, lots and lots of live data, and it really is the best tool on the table. But you know, that's because it does cost a bit more, and it's got the maximum amount of functionality pushed in there. So at the start of the video, I did say that I would give you my recommendation if it was my money. Which tool would I go for based on what I know about these tools? And let's say it was for my Volvo and Saab, and I wanted to get the maximum out of the tool, 100% would be the Volvo version 4.0 tool. Just because of the ability to add additional manufacturers, it covers absolutely everything, a maximum amount of service functions, bi-directional component testing, all systems, the ability to turn off warning lights, fault codes, get module information, lots and lots of live data information. The Evolve version 4.0 is such a, it's going to be, well, we tried and tested it, it is really, really good. And I think going forward, it's already started to sell really well. At the time of making this video, it's kind of like towards the end of January 26. We've had it online for about a month now, and it's really selling well. But you know, that's not me trying to push it and say it's something it's not. It's just how we genuinely feel about this tool. Okay. However, there is another caveat to that, because let's say I just wanted the best tool which covered all manufacturers. This is good, but it can be a little bit limiting, I suppose, in future, because it only gives you the ability to add 2 additional manufacturer groups. If I wanted a tool straight out of the box that just did everything for a good price and covers all manufacturers, you don't have to go downloading additional manufacturers, 100% would be the iCarSoft CR Max kit. This is without doubt the Rolls-Royce of diagnostic tools for DIYers. It does actually cover Rolls-Royce as well, that's how good it is. But I just feel that this is the tool which gives the most bang for buck. And when I say that, you know what I mean when I say that. It offers the maximum amount of functionality for the best price. So it crams a lot of diagnostics in there for a really, really good price. Now, as an example, there are competitors to this tool out there which offer a very similar tool, and they'll charge £200 more for the tool. Well, this is £200 less than those tools, and with this you get free updates for life. With the alternatives, you do have to pay sometimes up to £100 a year for the updates. You get the first year free with the other tools, but then you have to pay £100 a year if you want to continue with the updates. Free updates for life on all of these tools, guaranteed. Okay. So that's pretty much in a nutshell this tool for me. But having said that, you know, my circumstances may well be very different to yours. Let's say you've come on here because you've got a check engine light or an airbag light or an ABS warning, and that's all you're really interested in diagnosing. Then, you know, you need not look any further than the Evolve version 1.0. All really depends on what kind and style of tool you're looking for and what kind of budget you have. We don't put prices in these videos because they're all subject to change. I could put prices on this video right now and they might be different in 2 weeks time, and then people are kind of thinking, well, hang on, it says one price there, it's a different price there. So we kind of stay away from that. We just ask you to use the links, and it's always going to give you the updated price in those links. Okay, but thanks for watching, and if you're still unsure about which tool to go for, please do email us. The email address should be above, and also I'll pop it in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.